About a year ago, we tried some of Hong Kong's famous chow fan for the very first time, and we were handed our meal with a pair of wooden chopsticks and quite a flimsy looking plastic spoon. When we took that first bite, we could taste something unnatural, and we were disgusted. We realized that these disposables not only leave a bad aftertaste in our mouth, but also a bad aftermath for the planet and human health. But we wanted to know even more. So we dug up the numbers and found out that a whopping 14.6 billion pieces of plastic cutlery are dumped each year in Hong Kong landfills. 20 million trees are cut in China alone every year to make wooden chopsticks. In addition, we found that plastic, upon coming in contact with hot food, leaches cancer causing chemicals like phthalates into our bodies. With the Hong Kong government announcing plans to ban plastic cutlery in order to achieve the Hong Kong 2050 carbon neutrality vision, we decided to come together to be at the forefront of this revolution.
We are Planeteers, here to revolutionize your culinary experience with Incredible. So what makes Incredible stand out? Incredible is vegan and nutritious, so you get healthier with every single bite. Incredible is delicious. Our sea salt and olive oil flavored cutlery will make your lips smack. Incredible is 100% biodegradable, so even if you're too full to eat it, it does not pollute our planet. Incredible is non-toxic, so you don't have to ingest microplastics with every bite of your meal. Incredible does not leach its taste into your meal, so unlike wood or metal, you don't taste your spoon with your food. Our product lines consist of Incredible straws, cups, dessert spoons, and a full set of Western cutlery, all ready to revolutionize the market by the end of this year. You can even say Incredible is to a meal what ice cream cones are to an ice cream. Throughout the life cycle, our carbon footprint is 4.6 times less than bioplastic and 2.1 times less than wooden cutlery. With Incredible, we aim to fulfill the UN Sustainable Development Goals by inducing responsible consumption, climate action, and promoting good health and well-being. By 2023, our plan to replace 9 tons of plastic cutlery is equivalent to planting 11,000 trees.
We aim to achieve a closed life cycle loop, manufacturing with central kitchens and selling directly to restaurants. Our first contribution in this value chain is our recipe. The unique concoction of ingredients and ratios is what ensures that Incredible surpasses the experience of eating with regular cutlery. After months of R&D, with consultations with food scientists as well as renowned chefs across Hong Kong, we have successfully developed a consumer-tested MVP, which is sure to leave you wanting for more. Secondly, is our proprietary mold, which helps us achieve peak process efficiency, translating to a low per unit cost. We are developing it by consulting industry experts, working alongside in-house mechanical engineers and 3D designers, as well as by seeking active feedback from our partner central kitchens to make sure that the mold optimizes their production process. It is this process innovation that sets us apart and helps us remain competitive to other alternatives. And finally, it's our committed team that will stop at nothing to realize a greener future for the planet.
The implementation plan to take Incredible to the market has been divided into 2 distinct phases. Phase 1, Agile. The focus here is on setting up operations and improvising from stakeholder feedback. Phase 2 is Scale Up. The goal will be to become the primary supplier of cutlery to restaurants by perfecting our process and scaling up to a capital-intensive production method. Our target consumers are mid to high income, environmentally conscious takeaway diners. We aim to establish a B2B2C business model wherein diners at our partner restaurants can choose to upgrade their meal with Incredible for an additional cost of $3, out of which 33% is our margin and the rest is allocated to other stakeholders throughout the supply chain.
At the center of this revolution are our partner restaurants and central kitchens. As our partners, we have chains like Starbucks APAC, Treehouse, HKU, Green Common, Sino Group, the Swire Group, and Jardines, who are interested in replacing their entire lineup of disposable cutlery with Incredible. On the supply side, we're connected with Cathay Pacific Catering Services and Fung Hung Yun Bakery, with both being keen on starting production as soon as next month. We recently held a pilot event to simulate real-life operations, and this is how it went. We offered edibleware to regular diners at restaurants across Hong Kong, and here's what they had to say.
I definitely love it. It's a really mind-blowing product, and I definitely like the crunchy taste, and I imagine myself eating it every day.
Compared to wooden spoon, compared to bamboo spoon, that because they have so strong flavor, you smell already a food. Yeah. It's not a plastic, it's not a wooden, it's like, it's just bringing a biscuit to your mouth like this.
I'm part of a brand that cares about the environment, and from the get-go, we try to have solutions that do not contribute negatively to the landfills. So currently, we're using some type of PLA, which is highly compostable, but it has to be done through a large-scale composting machine. So when I got to meet you guys and the team from Planeteers, I got very excited about this thing that
During this pilot, more than 90% of diners agreed that eating with Incredible was far better than disposable plastic and wooden cutlery, with 65% of diners finishing their cutlery after eating their meal with it. We currently do not face any direct competition in Hong Kong. However, as our indirect competitors, we have Sustainable, Eco, and Wedgeware, which offer only partially biodegradable, leaching, and non-edible alternatives. Incredible stands head and shoulders above them by offering a superior culinary experience and being more sustainable. We bring Incredible to the market via two key channels. First, customers can choose to upgrade their meals with Incredible while ordering takeout or delivery directly from the restaurant. Restaurants can add Incredible to their offerings by either contacting us directly or through e-commerce platforms such as Panda Merchant. Second, consumers can access our product through food delivery apps by switching to Incredible during checkout.
We aim to not just survive, but thrive in this market, which is why we have established barriers to entry in the form of legal and non-legal protections. Under legal protections, we have a design patent, which ensures that a uniquely customized cutlery cannot be offered by any of our competitors. Secondly, we have applied to trademark the Incredible brand name and logo so as to create an ecosystem of sustainable and zero-waste dining products. Moving on to non-legal protection, we enjoy the first mover's advantage in a blue ocean market, which gives us exclusivity of relationships with our stakeholders, while helping us achieve economies of scale quicker due to higher order quantities. And secondly, our capital-intensive R&D as well as production process creates a high fixed cost barrier for any new player who wants to achieve the quality of our product at the price that we offer. Planeteers has come a long way since its inception, but we are just getting started. We are set to launch Incredible Straws, kickstarting phase 1 come March 2022. We aim to expand to 4 restaurants by the end of phase 1 in Q1, year 2. With the experience gained from phase 1, we plan to launch a high-quality set of Western cutlery and begin the ambitious phase 2 by Q2 of year 2. During phase 2, we aim to launch 3 new product lines, supplying to 20 restaurants by Q4 year 3, and firmly establishing the Incredible brand. Our goal is to make sustainable dining readily accessible for all. We estimate a total expenditure of up to 1.89 million Hong Kong dollars and a total cash inflow of almost 1.588 million Hong Kong dollars by 2022. With our current plans, we estimate to break even by Q4 of 2023.
Our team consists of 3 passionate founders, united by the mission of solving the world's problems with our innovative ideas. We come from diverse range of backgrounds, which is what helps us complement each other and simply get things done. It has been a rewarding journey for us till now, learning from every experience and on the way, winning all of these various accolades. We are Planeteers and will stop at nothing in making the world a better place with every single bite. Bon appetit.